Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to make your Roblox game cost Robux. First of all, open Roblox and make sure to sign into your account. Now click on create and here select creations and here you will get all of your games. And now for example, I want to make this game cost Robux. So I'm going to clicking on this pencil icon, edit in studio and click on open URL. And now you will jump into your Roblox studio. Here click on game settings. Here select monetization. And here you have to enable paid access. And now enter here the Robux amount. And you will earn 70%. Now click on permissions. And who can play this game? Select public. Once done, just click on save. This is how we can make a game cost Robux. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.